Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting the safest airlines in the world for 2024. Haitians eat spaghetti for breakfast. A Japanese boy waiting in line at the crematorium with his deceased baby brother on his back, Nagasaki 1945. Top 10 states with the highest power demand. One in every three urban kids in India will suffer from myopia by 2030, said health experts. Humming requires air to pass through your vocal cords and out of your nose. When you pinch your nose shut, you block the only exit route for the air, making it impossible to hum. Thomas was a circus performer in 1730 who had the world's longest nose at 20 centimeters. ICMR officially states to avoid coffee with high sugar as it can affect mental health and spike blood pressure. Designed for a student room with some privacy. Remarkable pictures of a woman after a jaw surgery that has changed her life forever. The Lighthouse of Alexandria was the first lighthouse in the world. Construction began in 290 BC and took 20 years to complete. By staying calm, you increase your resistance against any kind of storm. Of all the countries, Brazil has the most plant species with over 56,000. On 24 July 1870, first international railway was started in America. Haiti is the most mountainous nation in the Caribbean. On 23 July 1903, Ford Motor Company sold their first car. Americans throw away 2.5 million plastic bottles every hour. On 18 July 1931, first air-conditioned ship Mariposa was started. Your lungs can hold up to 5 minutes worth of oxygen. On 17 July 1850, first photo of star was taken by Howard Observatory. The second most tattooed person in the world is Tom Leppard, also known as the Leopard Man. His body is 99.9% covered in tattoos. In the 1920s, new engineers at General Electric were jokingly assigned the impossible task of developing a frosted light bulb. In 1925, Marvin Pipkin, unaware of the joke, succeeded in creating a durable frosted bulb. On 11 July 1979, Skylab American space station crashed and fell on Earth. Warmer skin is linked to increased neural activity in your brain that regulates sleep cycle. Warmer your body, the more disturbed is your sleep. Polyphenols in lemon juice reduce fat accumulation, body weight, insulin resistance, and cholesterol. Furthermore, chia seeds contain fiber which keeps you fuller for longer. Chia seeds in lemon water can also help with cholesterol and diabetes control. According to one scientific review of the plant, fennel was found to relax muscles, which produces a calming effect on the body. This may help with getting a good night's sleep. When you get a call or a message, it's because someone wants to communicate with you. A lot of today's apps stimulate the feeling of that kind of social interaction through notifications to keep you engaged. According to the study, many salmon at fish factory farms appear to give up and float lifelessly in their enclosures. These depressed fish are known as dropouts. The longest prison sentence ever handed out is 141.78 years to Chamoy of Thailand for running a pyramid scheme that defrauded members of the Thai royal family. Electrolytes in your body help with muscle contraction. When you sleep, your heart rate drops, reducing the flow of electrolytes to muscles in the limbs. When you wake up, it takes a while for the electrolytes to flow to the muscles in your hands again. Scientists confirm that the intelligence comes from your mother. When we reach near the edge of a roof, our unconscious mind fires commands to step back and we follow it immediately. Though we may not have been in any danger of falling, as we try to make sense of what just happened, we conclude that we step back in fear because we may want to jump. In 1904, the Cooper Underwear Company began advertising their pullover undershirts as bachelor undershirts. They played up the idea that these buttonless shirts were more durable and required less maintenance than older versions. Kids who are rejected by their dads are more likely to have social anxiety. Studies show children with heterosexual parents face increased loneliness when they are rejected by either parent, but only rejection by their father leads to lasting social anxiety and trouble with forming friendships. Buying puppy pads, don't buy them in the pet aisle, instead buy human incontinence pads. These are cheaper, better quality and come with more in a package. Top 5 hairstyles for men in 2020.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Messy waves hairstyle.
Around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Short curly hair with a trimmed beard. Side part hairstyle. Textured pompadour haircut. Undercut hairstyle. Thanks for watching.